Hi, and welcome to the show. Today we have the top 6 growth stocks to look into for September and winter 2020. So, the stock market keeps going up and up and up, and it's just on fire, basically. So let's get into the podcast of the day. Thank you for listening, and please check out any of our links below. And so I've been trying to buy Google for months, and everyone's been asking about Google and FANG stock. So every day they just go up and up and up, and there's nowhere to buy in the dip. Like, it's just not dipping. If it dips, it's like $1, $10, and then it goes back up, and every day you chase it and chase it. So if you couldn't get Google because it's been going higher, I feel like it's that red balloon that got away and just went straight up into the clouds. And it cracked 1600, and people are saying it's definitely going to hit 2000. So beginners and beginner moguls are asking, okay, so do I put $1,700 into one stock so that it goes to $2,000? So I don't have $1,700 worth of money because I put it in one stock. And so if you buy Google at, say, under 17, like 16 and some change, so you make, so it's like $250. So these might be some alternative growth stocks that are under $50 that you might want to check out. So these are why I'm looking at these. And if you are inspired to look at these, great. And just remember, disclaimer, I'm not a licensed broker, and I can't tell you to buy or sell. Use your own due diligence, your own decisions. Your loss is your responsibility, and do check with your financial broker that has good ratings, because you want good ratings so that you can make some money, right? Okay, let's go into stock number 1. Okay, Rack Space Technology. Rack Space Technology. It is R as in rabbit, X is an extra, and T is in terrific. So RXT. So why am I looking at this one? Well, because I told you I've been trying to buy Google for months, and then I was looking at technology companies and cloud companies, and this one, Rack Space Technology, is an end-to-end multi-cloud solution. Ooh. And so Amazon is a cloud at the top, then Google, of course, and then Rack Space has some shares. So I am believing this is my hope to get into a cloud at a very reasonable price point, under $50. So that's why I'm excited. And if you're inspired to check it out before it goes up, I'm really liking it. Yeah. So really liking it so much. I'm putting this nice music to make me think of vacation when it goes up, and I can sell it and live in a big mansion and go on vacations one day in a hotel in a nice place, like go see my mom in Italy, or go to friends, or Greece, or Ibiza. Okay, so let's get back to business. Okay, according to the Rackspace website, they are a multi-cloud solution expert as a global cloud computing service pioneer. And they said they have innovative capabilities of the cloud to help customers build new revenue streams, increase efficiency, and create incredible experience. So they leverage cloud technology that helps you solve your business challenges. Okay, so one of the reasons I am liking this is because I seen in the news that Rackspace, Amazon, Amazon is looking to get it, buy some shares of this. So let's see. So I just want to make sure. Yes, Rackspace Technology, Amazon has been wanting, has allegedly in the news been speaking with Rackspace to get in there. So that yeah, so let's see, I just want to just make sure that you got that information. Amazon to buy Rackspace, stake cloud investment, and then Rackspace bumps off with, because that's good news. If Amazon talks to invest in Rackspace, hello, people are going to probably, it'll get a boost in its stock numbers. So that's like the real reason behind this rack space. So if you're interested, do your due diligence or research. Okay. So Nio takes off today. Nio is an NIO. So you didn't get Tesla. Tesla's cracked 2,000, too high. So this is an alternative that I'm looking at. Nio, ticker symbol is N as in nice, I as in independent, O as in octopus. So stock analysts just gave it high ratings and upgraded the stock to $1,500 valuation a share. Okay, so Nio is under $50, and I just got one around under $30 today, and the stock is up 300% from last year, and today it soared. So Nio is the one that leases batteries separately. And do listen to my top EV electric vehicle car podcast episode for more details on that company, because I speak about Nio there. Okay, so DraftKings. The reason why I'm looking at DraftKings is because everyone's stuck at home and everyone loves Robinhood, and DraftKings, which is DKNG, DraftKings, one word. Ticker symbol D is in do, K is in king, N is in nice, and G is in good. So DraftKings, there's no sports, so the next best link is fantasy sports. And if you're afraid to go to a casino or hotel in Las Vegas, then DraftKings can be interesting to you. So I just invested, as I think people miss sports and games. They're stuck at home eating pizza, watching Disney or Netflix, ordering on Amazon, buying stocks in Robinhood, and working out with YouTube yoga videos and listening to cool podcasts like Girls Guide to Investing and our YouTube link below. Do subscribe to our YouTube link, because we put out the news as fast as possible on that link. It's our test link, so you can just hear it raw and then we fix it up later, but you'll get the news as fast as possible for stock. So do subscribe to our test YouTube channel where we do all our podcast tests, but you'll get to hear the news first there, because we put it there first. It's like our tester worker out one before we can upload and put it onto the podcast. It's a lot of work. So we appreciate any support. If you want to give us a coffee, please use you can send us to PayPal, anonymous content, our email, friends and family. It's petcarebuddies@gmail.com. Using our links below. Since we told you about the free stocks, do use our link. It's good karma, and we're giving you free stock money, free money. So please use our links, and then it just keeps giving you, like the secret, money keeps making money. But if you don't use our links after we told you about it, then you took money from us, and then money will be taken from you. So use the law of attraction, and use the law of energy and how that works. So DraftKings, it's super easy to use. It's kind of like the sports app version of Robinhood for comparison. So it's really easy to use, and according to Wikipedia, it's an American daily fantasy sports contest and sports betting provider. Sportsbook, mobile, and a retail sports betting products allow bettors in each state to engage in betting for the most major U.S. international sports. I think it's very interesting because, like people love going to casinos and hotels. They love betting, like, oh my gosh, the Churchill race this year is just going to be streamed live. The Kentucky Derby is just going to be streamed live with no people. So, people need entertainment. They need sports. They need concerts and music and, movies. Apparently my Netflix just keeps going up and up and up. I didn't get into Netflix, so I bought the other alternative is Disney. So because they have Disney has just really incredible content for kids and families, and just amazing animation. Disney, everyone loves Disney, in my opinion. Okay, rocket companies, RXT, rocket companies. R is in rich, K is in kick, T is in terrific. Rocket companies, ticker symbol RKT. It's very interesting. It's another new debut to the stock market. It's under $50 a stock. And I just took the plunge, as it looks assigned to me, as they do mortgages. And they raised $1.8 billion for the Detroit-based company, and their subsidiary is Quicken Loans. Quicken Loans is now the largest mortgage lender in the United States. And in 2015, Rocket Mortgage was launched as an online mortgage application platform that helped fuel the company's growth. Direct consumer loans. So it's very interesting. A lot of mortgages right now, people are saying houses and stuff, but everyone needs to live in a house or apartment. So, and real estate is, always go up, no matter, even if it's you know, however low it goes, always goes back up. So everyone needs to live somewhere, you know, commercial building or residential building. So do your own due diligence. I think it's exciting. You know, when it IPOs, initial public offering, means it's new to the market. So those are going to probably be the best price points in my opinion. So just, you know, and then for those of you who love Elon Musk and wish you could invest in his SpaceX program, and you wish that his SpaceX program would be on the stock market, they're like, I wish you would list that, but SpaceX is private. And so a lot of investors are looking at Raytheon Technologies, ticker symbol RTX. R is in rich, T is in terrific, and X as in X-ray. So Raytheon is Raytheon, Raytheon Technologies, and they give a 4.43 dividend. Love that. If you love space arena, then check it out. It probably will crack $7 a share today, so you still can get something close to $50 that gives you a dividend. But you know, all these are risky plays. They're growth stocks, so it's up to you to do your due diligence. So this is something interesting. BIGC. You're like, what? Big what? Big who? So Big Commerce Holdings. So ticker symbol BIGC. So we're taking a look at that. Yep. We're taking a look at this one. It is a Big Commerce Holdings is an e-commerce software company. So kind of think Shopify. That Shopify is their closest competitor or competitor in the same business arena. So if you like Shopify and Shopify is just too much money and you're looking for comparisons, in my opinion, I'm looking for comparisons for great companies with great possibility for growth that will grow and have a chance to get them at a good price points. So Big Commerce Holding this Tuesday unveiled their online shopping checkout tool for Facebook. One of the FANG stocks, Facebook, FB. So they have their online shopping checkout tool on Facebook for the instant messaging platform Instagram. So if you're an Instagram user, you're a Facebook user, a lot of people are on Instagram, they love Instagram. Customers can buy products directly from brands with Instagram messaging interface rather than going to another separate e-commerce page. And we like everything to be together, easier and simple, which is really nice. So all you moguls who sell on Instagram, you will like Big Commerce Holdings. That's the BIGC. I'm looking to get in there. I'm studying it further. It's also a newbie on the stock market. It just went public. So they offer service like e-commerce tools to small and medium-sized businesses. Okay, so let's just recap some things in there. Network was a big winner in the stocks. Again, Netflix, yep. You know, Netflix just keeps going up and up and up. Where's the dips? When's it going to crash? But these good companies, I just, you know, how would they go, you know, like they're just kind of like hovering really high. But I went for Disney as Netflix is too high for me, but I'm considering fractional shares of Netflix, which you can get free with the links below. So do use the links below because you can buy IPOs, which are initial public offerings with the links below. You can buy fractional shares, you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy stocks, bonds, ETFs, and you get a free share, which is like free money. You can buy it, you can sell it, you can hold it, and then sell it, or whatever you'd like to do. Talk with your financial advisor. So I'm not a financial advisor or professional stock analyst. Trade at your own risk. There are risks associated with investing. So I hope these are great and exciting. And oh yeah, Baba to the moon and back. I sold it because it wasn't going anywhere, but then Baba announced it's, you know, got 33% share stake in Ant Financial. And you can't buy Ant IPO because it's on the Hong Kong and Taiwanese and stock exchange. So I can't get it. The only way you can pretty much get it is Chinese ETFs, or you got to buy the Baba, and the Baba is going to crack 300. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you for using my stocks. Thank you for sending some money, supporting the podcast by just simply subscribing. That's free. Simply use the links below. That's free. Thank you. There's so much time and research, and I could buy my interns some coffee. We have so many interns working here, working so hard for you to make your life simpler with our Cliff Notes for dummies, Cliff Notes for beginners, Cliff Notes to help you, our moguls, get rich. So let's get rich together. Thank you. Bye.